Solve log base 5 of the absolute value of 2x minus 7 equals 4. Well, let's translate this in from the logarithmic equation to the exponential equation. Of course, 5 is the base, 4 is the exponent, and therefore the absolute value of 2x minus 7 is equal to 5 raised to the power of 4, which is equal to 625. So what we have is the absolute value of 2x minus 7 equals 625. Therefore, we have two equations. 2x minus 7 equals negative 625, or 2x minus 7 equals positive 625. Let's solve each of these equations separately. We would add 7 to both sides here. So that's going to give us that 2x is equal to negative 618. Divide both sides by 2. X will be equal to negative 309. Let's solve the other linear equation. Adding 7 to both sides, we get 2x is equal to 632. Dividing both sides by the 2, we have x is equal to 316. You should check both answers, and if you do, you'll find that both solutions do check, and therefore the solutions are negative 309 and 316.